In this video we see the construction of a submarine very different from the usual. Go straight to the factory. Although the first wooden submarines were built in the 17th century, it was not until World War I that they became suitable for combat use. Submarines play an important role in the security of any nation today. Let's see how these are made. Large submarines are always built for a country's navy at the behest of a country's government. The first step is to design a long time. Each party that comes to its construction will have an accurate outline of when it should be made digitally. These files are kept for as long as a submarine exists and are useful for maintenance and other purposes. Like ships, submarines have a modular design. All the parts are manufactured separately and assembled together. Once the designs are approved, construction can begin. The first step in this is to get the big steel sheets made. The required angles are machined and bent. But the pieces to be bent into certain shapes are heated first. After that, it is pressed inside a man to extract the desired amount. These pieces are then welded together to form the various parts of the submarine. There will be specially shaped parts in front and back. These are also manufactured, welded and assembled with great precision. Now the prefabricated platforms are mounted and fixed inside each part of the submarine. The submarine's engine, shaft, passenger bunker, cargo and control room are all built on top of such platforms. Their painting will be done along with this. The shaft of the propeller is attached to the last compartment. The construction of the propeller is also very interesting. Iron is also prepared and poured into molds made of clay. When it gets a little thick, the mold is broken and the propeller is taken out. Now it takes a long time of machining, grinding and polishing to get it to the right size and shape. After quality checking, it is assembled and attached to the shaft. Thus, after all the necessary parts are placed inside, each compartment of the submarine is assembled and fitted together. There will be a quality check of each welding. When all the parts are assembled into a complete submarine, it is painted and brought out. It is towed by rails to a dry dock. After all the tests, the submarine is ready to go into the water and is then loaded into the dry dock to make it 80% submerged. From there, after pulling it down into the sea, it is ready to travel. How was the construction of the submarine? Please comment below. Of course, you can also report the manufacturing operations of the goods you would like to see. Thanks for watching.